Hey! Want to track your project like a pro without melting your brain? Here's a super simple custom Gantt chart in Excel that updates itself. Yep, live! No fancy apps, no tech headaches, just one banana smooth Excel file. Download it from the video description and make it yours. For school, work, or just keeping your personal chaos under control. Let's do project management the banana way, shall we? Excel is powerful. But let's be real. If we don't use it often, it's easy to forget how to make anything useful without wrecking our brain or wasting hours. Today, I'll walk you through 2 Gantt chart setups you can download and customize. Perfect for getting organized fast, without the fuss, and totally stress-free. Here's the first chart. Clean, simple, and action-ready. It's broken down into phases and subtasks, and you can enter durations by date or by hours. It's your banana call. Just type a number in the % column, boom! The status updates automatically. The total progress shows up at the bottom, and the bar chart comes to life. It's easier than peeling a banana. This way, your team won't have to wreck their brains trying to figure out intimidating Excel stuff. Want to add more tasks? Just copy and paste a full block, give it a name, and you're good to go. Then recalculate the total progress. It's as easy as peeling a banana. To recalculate the total percentage, click the cell where you want it to display. In my file, I put it in cell G42 at the bottom. Then, in the formula bar, type the average formula, the column and start and end row. In this case, that's column G from row 9 to row 40. Hit Enter. Boom! Banana math complete! To make the progress bar live update, right-click the bar, select Data, click Series 1, then Edit. Now just point it to your total cell. In this case, it's G42. Done! Your chart is now officially Bananas Live. Here is chart 2. It's the same concept, but more detailed. It lets you use hours instead of days. Let me show you how to fix the date formatting here. Notice the date format here does not convert. Let me show you how to fix this little banana issue. First, select one column at a time. Yep, it doesn't work if you highlight multiple columns. Then go to the top menu and click Data, Text to Columns. A pop-up will appear, select Delimited, click Next, then Next again. Now check Date and choose MDY. Click Finish. Boom! Your dates are back in number format. Now, right-click on the cells. Choose Format Cells, go to Custom, and either select a preset or type in your own. In my case, I used a full format as you see here on the screen. If you need to update the progress in the % column, just recalculate the total using the same average formula I showed you in chart 1. Then, to update the progress bar, right-click it, choose Series 1, hit Edit, call the right worksheet name, and point it to the exact cell with your total %. Same process as before. Quick, easy, and banana simple. And there you go! 2 live updating Gantt charts that keep your projects running smoother than a banana on roller skates. Grab the free files from the links in the description, tweak them, and make them yours. I've got a bunch of other projects I'll be giving away too. Better to share them than let them rot in my computer, right? All right, catch you in the next video. Stay smart, stay simple, and stay banana-powered.